Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel here. Today I'm going to review the ABOX Portable Oral Irrigator. It is a spa for your mouth. Anyways, I've been wanting one of these for a little while. I did not go out and look and see which one was the best. I looked at some reviews, but this one just happened to show up on a great deal on Kinja deals. So I took a chance and we're going to try it out. So opening the box. Oh look, comes with a nice bag that I'll probably never use. Good thing we have it though. Power cord. Oh, it's tucked in there pretty good. Oh, let's see. Oh, look. Multiple oral irrigators. Oh, yeah, still stuff in there. Oh, lucky. I got a gift. I'll have to check that out. Manual. Definitely, probably not going to read that. Oh, here we go. Look. On, off, mode. Oh, something started. Normal, soft, pulse. And that's the power cord. Lock, unlock. Oh. See if we lock it in place. Took a little bit of turning to get it locked in. Let's turn it off. On. Maybe I gotta push and hold. Oh, I think I turned it on. Okay, it's off. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and get it charged up. Then we'll test it out. Okay, so now these are no longer flashing, which means battery's charged. Let's give it a shot. Put this regular tip on, slide it in till it clicks. It clicked. To remove it, you're going to push this button, pull up on it. So I'll put it back in. And I'm going to fill it with some water. Okay, I got her full. Full enough anyway. Okay, now I'm going to put it on soft because it's my first time using it. Where to begin? So this product does what it says it does. It'll clean your teeth. It'll get things out of your gums. Does a nice job massaging them. One trick you're gonna have to do is keep your mouth closed when you do it. And there is a lot of water. It'll fill up your mouth real fast. So you just keep it closed. You have to turn it off, spit the water out with the stuff, and then go again. I don't know what good the 120-second timer does you, because I couldn't last 30 seconds and I had to turn it off. My mouth was full of water. Will I give up my floss for the teeth cleaner irrigator thingamabobber? Probably not. And I floss every day. Could I use it in a pinch? Yeah, but I'm gonna have to be at home. Could I take it somewhere? Has a nice travel case. Probably won't take it anywhere. But is it worth spending the $20, $40, whatever it costs? Probably stick with the floss, but for those of you that can't do the floss, I think it would probably do a fine job. I don't think it does as good as floss, but I'm going to give it some time. Give it a shot and see what I think. So, happy teeth taken care of out there, people. Have a good one.
Sprayed all over me.